Hello everyone, I'm Shastak Lanka. I'm an undergraduate student at the University of Uvalde. This tutorial series I'm going to talking about a simulator tool available from Logic Gates based implementation, and this video I'm explaining about simulator tool and whole tutorial series I'm explained as all things this report, and I implement those everything in a Logisim tool. Then let's move to the slides. Logisim tool. Uh, Before talking about Logisim tool, we have to know what the simulation tool. Simulation tool is software. It's based on the process modeling real phenomenon with a set of mathematical formula. This software used widely designing equipments and process the modifications. Whole tutorial series I'm using Logisim tool. This is the Logisim tool software's icon, and it's the symbolic representation, and software's icon is this, and it run on several operating systems. There are Mac operating system and Linux operating system and Windows operating system. I am run on Windows operating system. Let's move to the internet and how to download this Logisim tool. Let's see that now. I'm going to Chrome and type Logisim tool search, and this is a Logisim tool graphical tool. Then I have to go download Logisim, and you have to go to the Logisim source forget net page. Then you can see this type of interface, and this is the Logisim tool software and Windows, Mac, Linux. It's default mention your operating system, and you have to download this area. I already download that software, and I'll show that software. Wait. This is the Logisim software's interface. Then move to the report and interface of the Logisim. I'll explain interface of the Logisim system and the digital interface, and the normal interface is the Logisim system. And first in the upper main bar, then toolbar, exploration panel, canvas, attribute panel, and exploration. This area has whole tools which can execute in the implementation area drop down list. That drop down list has different kind of tools. Then canvas, uh, all logic circuits are can make from this area. And toolbar, in this toolbar we all notice the title hand icon. Then icon is used to change value of the circuits. Then attribute panel has this type of things when we implement the code, and its attribute has how to fill up the some options, and we can change direction the get phase or uh, of the data bit. And as you build circuit, you will change the attribute of the element here. Then let's move to the simulation tool, and this simulation tool, those are I already explained those parts before that report, and I'll show you drop down list and the file drop down list that we can create new one. And if you already saved someone, and we can open in this area, and those everything save as save, close, export image, and print other all things in here in this section edit. project, simulate, window, and help. When we implement the this Logisim tool, we use simulate area and project area, and most of times simulate area in simulation in our codes and other things in a project. And we have, if you want to use some these sections and these tools, we can use this when we use while using and while coding and while running those circuits. That's a briefly introduction about the Logisim tool. Uh, Thank you and welcome.